How to create a WhatsApp group. Let's get started. Launch your WhatsApp. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find an option. Navigate to the option of chats. Once you're on this page, at the top right corner, you're going to find this plus icon. Click on that. Different options will appear. Click on the option of new group. Now, here you're going to find your contact list. Check in for the contacts that you want to add to your group. In this way, if the person whom you want to add in the group is not available in your contact list, you can search for it by typing the number over here at the very top. And once you do that, click on next. Now give a name to your group. Click on this option of group permissions and customize these settings, edit group settings, send messages, add other members, approve new members. Then you can hit back. Click on the option of disappearing messages. If you want to get started with disappearing messages, click on OK. If you don't want that, you can click on this cross icon. Now click on this camera icon to select the picture. So I'm going to select this picture from my gallery. And after you do that, click on create. With that, your group chat will be created. Now I can start the conversation. So this is how you can easily create group chat on WhatsApp. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.